Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle in the additional of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, July the 27th, July the 28th. It's actually today, Sunday, 2024. Yes, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku, and you are interested in this one, the binary. Yes, it's binary time, and this one will be number 8981. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Now the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last row, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in the first column, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here in the last column, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. 2 minutes. Well. This one is very quick to solve without comparing. Yes. And I like this one. Yes, so we do the thing. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.